It's writing tip time. Today, we're learning all about adding details to sentences. Adding details can help enhance your sentence. It can help bring your sentences to life. Adding details can make your writing more specific, and it allows the reader to visualize exactly what you're talking about. So here we have who. Who is the subject? We have the be. Doing what is the action of the sentence? Landed on a flower. When is the time? Early in the morning. Where is the location? In the garden. And why? To pollinate it. It explains. Now let's put it all together. Early in the morning, the busy bee landed on a flower in the garden to pollinate it. Here's another example. Who? My cute cat. Doing what tells the action? Curls on the rug. When? Each night. Where? In my bedroom. Why? To play with her toy. Now let's put it all together. Each night, my cute cat curls up on the rug in my bedroom to play with her toy. Now you try.